If you have 3 potatoes at home, then separate them, because in just 3 minutes, we will make this delicious treat for an afternoon snack or breakfast. There's no way to resist. Let's start our recipe by cooking 3 medium potatoes. Here they are all well cooked. Now let's remove and drain the water. Then transfer to another container. Now remove all the skin. Here I preferred to cook the potatoes with the skin on so they don't get soaked in water. But if you want, you can peel the potatoes before cooking. Tell me in the comments how you cook the potatoes with or without the skin. Once this is done, we will knead it very well. Okay, now let's add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Also add 5 spoons of wheat flour. Mix for the ingredients to integrate. And if you like easy recipes like this, click the like button and comment below. I love easy recipes. Now let's knead our dough with our hands. And that's the point. Here it is, already perfect. Then on a board with plastic wrap, we will grease it with a little oil. Now take a portion of the dough and let's shape our snacks. Spread the dough like this, and here you can make it the size you prefer. Now let's add grated cheese. Here you can use the filling of your choice: ground beef, shredded chicken. Then you will close it like this as you see in the video. Because this dough is sensitive, it is important to use plastic thread greased with a little oil so as not to damage the dough. And look, it will stay like this. Here it is, already perfect. Now just take it to fry in hot oil. At this point, be a little careful not to burn yourself. Let it fry on one side, then turn it over and let it fry on the other. Do you want to make a different, delicious, and melt-in-your-mouth snack? And is it perfect for breakfast or an afternoon snack? This one will surprise your whole family. Honestly, there's no way to resist. Let it fry on the other side very well, and our savory snack is ready. Look how beautiful they turned out. Now just remove it and add it to a plate with paper towel. Wait for it to cool, and you can serve it. And look how perfect they turned out. I'm going to open one, and your mouth will water. If you've made it this far, leave a rating from 0 to 10. Which rating you give to this recipe? I really hope you liked it. I'll stay here. A big hug, and until the next recipe.